Today we have something truly useful for anyone building process pages, project roadmaps, launch calendars, or storytelling sections in Divi 5. We have created a free pack of 11 timeline designs built entirely for Divi 5. And these are lightweight, unstyled, and designed to plug directly into your own presets, branding, and design system. And these layouts give you clean, flexible structure without locking you into any specific look. You can simply drop them onto your pages, apply your own preset, and then instantly match your site. So if that sounds interesting, then let's take a closer look at how these timeline layouts work and how you can use them to build clean, beautiful stories in Divi 5. So how you can download these free timeline templates. First, make sure you go ahead and check out the link in the video description below, and this will take you to our blog post, and there you can simply go ahead and scroll down to the download section. And there, just enter your email address. Once you click on download, you will see a download button, and once you click on that, it will download a zip file onto your computer. Once the download is done, make sure you extract all the files in a folder. And here is what's included. You will find 11 timeline section exports. Each one is completely unstyled and intentionally minimal, so you can apply your own colors, typography, spacing, and stack presets with full control. These timelines work perfectly for project histories, onboarding steps, process explanation, or launch sequences. They build using core Divi 5 modules, so everything is fast, compatible, and easy to edit. Now here is how you can import them in your Divi library. Now to get started, open Divi and head over to Divi library and use the import and export tool to upload any of these JSON files that we have just downloaded. Once imported, your timeline sections will appear inside your library, ready to place on any page. Now here is how you can add these timeline sections to any page on your website. Now let's go ahead and open a page in Divi Visual Builder and add a new section. And there we just need to choose Add from Library. Then we can select the timeline section that we have just imported. And that's it. The structure instantly loads onto your page, and Divi 5 treats it like a native section. Now how you can swap content. Now each timeline step is built with standard Divi module, so editing is super simple. Open any text module and update heading, descriptions, or the dates. If a step uses image or icon, you can follow the familiar structure inside the layer panel. For example, section, row, column, module, and replace all the assets in seconds. Because these are unstyled layout, copying and pasting your existing preset is also incredibly fast. This makes it easy to match the rest of your site without manual recreating styles. Now here are some optional customization using Divi 5's inspector. While the timeline design templates are functional out of the box, Divi 5's inspector lets you restyle them effortlessly. You can adjust spacing, switch between CSS grid and flex layout, change direction, adapt gaps, or update colors and fonts using your design variables. Once you create a look you love, you can save it as a preset as well. And this gives you the ability to apply consistent styling to any timeline across your entire website. So these timeline designs give you a clean structure foundation that works with any design system in Divi 5. Whether you are mapping a launch plan, outlining a service process, or presenting a brand story, these layouts give you a fast starting point that you can customize endlessly. If you want to download full pack or explore more examples and styling tips, check out the blog post that we are going to link in the video description below. And if you like this video and especially want more free templates like this, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload our next video. That's it for this one, and I'll see you in the next video.